Hello students, let us prepare chapter reflection today. What does the word reflection means? It means to obtain image of a point. Now, whenever we find image, then what comes to our mind when we talk about reflection or we talk about image? What comes to our mind? A mirror comes to our mind because we see our image in the mirror. Now, in this chapter, what is the mirror? Either x-axis it is the mirror, or y-axis will be the mirror, or the point origin, this may be the mirror. Suppose if x-axis is the mirror and if I have a point here, where will the image of this point be seen? If the point is lying here in the first quadrant and x-axis is the mirror line, if we look into the mirror, where will this point be seen? Yes, it will be seen on the other side of the mirror. And if y-axis is the mirror line, then this point, where it will be seen? It will be seen on the other side of the mirror. If mirror is y-axis, the point will be seen on the other side of the mirror. And if origin, this point is the mirror, then the image of the point will be seen here, opposite to the origin. So how will we solve the sums? If they ask us to reflect a point on x-axis, now memorize it. X-axis is also called y equal to 0. The name of this line is x-axis and equation of this line is y equal to 0. So when we have to reflect on x-axis, what will we do? We'll just change sign of y coordinate. I'll explain this to you in the next topic. And if I have to reflect on y-axis, if this y-axis is the mirror line, this y-axis line, the name of this line is y-axis and its equation is x equal to 0. So when we have to reflect on y-axis, we'll change sign of x coordinate. And if we have to reflect on origin, we'll change both signs, means both coordinates sign. Let us take example here that I have a point 4 minus 3. If I have to reflect on x-axis, I will change sign of y coordinate. So my answer will be 4 plus 3. Minus 3 will become plus 3. This x-axis, it is also called y equal to 0. If I have to reflect the same point on y-axis, I will change sign of x coordinate. Answer will be minus 4 minus 3. Y-axis is also called x equal to 0 line. And if I have to reflect on origin, I have to change both the signs. 4 minus 3 becomes minus 4 3. Now in the next concept, in the next topic, I will explain you that if the mirror line is neither x-axis nor it is y-axis and it is also not origin, but it is something like x equal to a or y equal to b. These are the mirror lines. Then how do we reflect? I'll explain you this by taking one example. That point a, 4 minus 3. Now it is to be reflected on x equal to 2 line. So what I have to do? Draw the coordinate axis, plot the mirror line. Your mirror line is x equal to 2 now. So on x-axis, look for 2. Draw x equal to 2 line. The point 4 minus 3, plot it now. 4 minus 3. If x equal to 2 is the mirror line and the object, the point is lying here, where will be the image seen? The image will be seen inside the mirror. And how far away? As far away the point is from the mirror line. Check the distance. Check the distance. It is 1 unit, 2 unit. So my point is 2 unit away from the mirror line. So its image will be seen 2 units inside. 1 unit, 2 unit. Here will be the image. Let me name it a dash. The coordinates are 0, minus 3. Let us take the second example where the point a, 2, 3 is there, which I have to reflect on y equal to 1. Means the mirror line is neither x-axis nor y-axis and it is not even origin, but it is y equal to 1. So what do? We draw the coordinates axis, x-axis and y-axis and plot the mirror line y equal to 1. How do we do that? On y-axis, look for 1. Draw the mirror line there. This is the mirror line y equal to 1. The point is 2, 3. The point coordinate is 2, 3. So where will the image seen? If mirror line is here, the object is here, the image will be seen inside the mirror. And how far away? As far away is the point from the mirror line. And the point is 1, 2. 1, 2 units away from the mirror line. So image will be 1, 2. 2 units away. A dash, let it be the answer, and the coordinates are 2, -1. The last concept is about invariant points. Invariant points are the points which lies on the mirror line itself. If I have x-axis, y-axis at the mirror line, then all the points which lie on x-axis, they are invariant with respect to reflection on x-axis, because if mirror line is x-axis and the point is lying on the x-axis itself, then its image will be on the same point only. Similarly, if the point is lying on y-axis and I have to reflect it with respect to y-axis only, then this point will also be invariant with respect to y-axis because it is lying on the mirror line itself. Let us do a couple of examples now. The point Pxy, it is first reflected on x-axis and then reflected on origin, and the answer is P dash. Answers coordinates are already given. I have to find x and y. We may write mx means the mirror line is x-axis. It was written here earlier that the mirror line is x-axis and the point Pxy to be reflected. So under the mirror line x-axis, put the coordinates xy. Now you must be remembering that when we have to reflect on x-axis, we change sign of y coordinate. Answer becomes x minus y. Now this x minus y is further reflected on origin. The mirror is origin now. And when we reflect on origin, we change both the signs. Answer will be minus x y. But answers minus x y, answers coordinate were already given, minus 8, 5, comparing x equal to 8, y equal to 5. The coordinates a and b are given to us of the points. I have plotted on the coordinate axis a and b. Firstly, I have to find a dash, which is image of a when reflected on x-axis. When the point A, 3, 4 is reflected on x-axis, then the answer is a dash. When we reflect on x-axis, we change sign of y coordinate. Answer will be 3 minus 4. Plot it. 3 minus 4. This is a dash. First part done. Second part. B dash is the image of V under reflection in the line A dash. The mirror line is neither x-axis nor it is y-axis. It is also not origin, but it is line A dash. A dash. Join